Hello guys. Alright, welcome to this one. So we are doing dual tone effect for this. So the first thing we are doing here is come to select, then click on subject. So Photoshop will try to select the subject in our composition. Alright, the selection has been made. So now you come down here and make that selection. We put it into a group. So it's in a group now. Then we add the layer marks to that group. So now we have it here. Alright, so the next thing we are doing is coming to adjustment layer here. Click on your adjustment layer. Then we go to black and white. So our image basically becomes black and white. Alright, so then we are coming again back to our adjustment layer. Click again. Then we are looking for gradient map. Click on gradient map. So we have our gradient map to be black and white, so we want to change that to the color of our dual tone. So click there, turn this white area to any color of your choice. I'm going to make this to be blue, this kind of blue, and I'll click on OK. Alright, I'll click on OK again. Then I want this thing to be a little bit deeper, so I'll come to normal here on my blending mode and make it into add light. Okay, that's looking to add, so we reduce the opacity to say something 85%. So let's just make this into 85%. Alright, so now we jump into our brush. So make sure you're on the layer marks of your gradients, this white part, click on that, then click on brush. Alright, so because we want to brush this area off, so because this is where the other color will be coming on, so we just want to brush that side off like so. Okay, so the next thing we are doing is we are going to hit Ctrl G, that's to duplicate, right? So we have this kind of effect, but this is not what we're looking for. So you do Ctrl I to invert that effect. Okay, so you click now on the gradient map this side, so we get this color again. So click into that, then this side of the color, click again, then we change it to be into red, make it red. So click OK, and that is what we have. Alright, so if you have any question, basically drop it in the comment section below. I'm going to attend to that. Alright, peace. See you in the next one.